Yeah, this is Edip. It's right now 27, midnight of after 26, 27. We are still in Dubuque. This is my second night. This is the house. Beautiful snow. The weather is perfect. I love it. Come on, let's go. Watch your feet, because there could be some ice here. Look at this. I love these structures, these rocks, the bridge, under the bridge. This is a different feel. A small city. Metin told me, without knowing, that it has 57,000 population. Yeah. Do you know that? 57 is divisible.
But it's a beautifully developed city.
Yeah, I love it. It's small. I really miss a small city. Tucson is a big city, but
it's a small city with a big...
Yeah, it is
dream.
History. Yeah, all his... Okay. 160, okay, it's not too bad.
Distance is not bad.
Yeah.
All right, gentlemen.
All right.
Thank you. Love you guys.
Bye.
See you guys.
Bye.
What did you say? Bye for the next 5 minutes?
It's a Persian Khodafez.
It's not cold at all. It's good.
Yeah, you should take a video of Buzz. You're getting sick.
It's a good place.
Drive safe, man. Say hi to Alyssa.
Will do. Love you guys. Adios.
Adios, amigos.
Yeah.
They have a lot of them.
What are you doing now? Oh my God, this is so beautiful, this porch. Sit down, like, it's higher than steel. Is Kevlar that rigid? I don't understand. I thought Kevlar was flexible.
Well, it's yield strength.
But yield, it is flexible, but has yield strength. It comes
When you get shot by a bullet per square inch, it withstands. That's why it's used as a...
But we are talking about, therefore, yield square is not enough. Yield is not enough. Yield is okay, but also rigidity, elasticity. It may have a lot of yield strength going down, but
we know enough about
it
these
doesn't
materials.
deform.
Yeah.
It doesn't deform, but goes back all the way. Therefore, the yield strength of your sheet is a lot.
Yeah.
The sheet fabric. Yeah, but
you need to know stiffness too.
Stiffness too is a difference.
Young's modulus. That's what we gotta have. That's why that chart was so good.
Yeah.
It's good. But look, I'm gotten so aggressive with these numbers, and UHMW is still fine at 100.
I know. I think it is good. It is very strong.
It's fine. Yeah, it should be fine. It's like 100x safety factor. Like, jeez.
Yeah.
So safe.
We will check. We need to check plastic as an alternative, honestly.
I just don't know how it relates to the thickness. That's the only thing.
Yeah, let's go sleep, but I need to educate myself about this more. Okay, your time.
Sure.
Altamart, 6th of March 2021, 2021. Kurt. Ouch! My God, my foot. This is not...
The weight distribution.
That's it. The shortest sledge.
Here, record me in the same
Okay.
It's the same recording.
Okay. Hi, Metin.
Hey, good effort.
Mississippi. We have to show Mississippi.
Pretty active, bud.
Okay, where are you? Okay.
This is a bobsled time.
Mashallah, that was good. Lovely. Wow, with shorts. Snow.
You want to try? I got all the enjoyment from you guys.
Okay,
Can I do it one more time?
I need to take my shirt to show. Wait, make me hold these. Come on. Record.
undress for the people on the camera?
Of course, I need to
Right.
show that I am a strong man.
Ready?
Okay. By the way, if you wonder about 2008, is it 2008? Yeah.
Ready?
Metin? This is my son graduated from high school. This is senior, high school senior, not old guy senior. This is
You
the.
know, back in that day, I used to do ice blocking
And
in the
this
golf
is-
course.
His name is in the bottom, Edip Yuksel. This is his classmate. He was the leader of his student rep.
All right.
Okay, go.
You know, in Tucson, we used to take the ice blocks.
It was mountain high. Okay, go. That was good. Okay, Metin, stop it.
Goodbye. What is he doing? He's totally stuck in there. He's on his phone. I don't even think he remembers we came here with him.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, is he gonna realize now?
I hate this part.
Double out of it.
That's okay. They got a good laugh in that video. What is it?
Taste test. It's
I don't want to. I don't want to bias you in what they called it, but it has a special name.
Special name.
What kind of what did they write?
All right, keep drinking.
That's the thing. It's
Come on,
Dr.
Babadook.
Scribbles.
He's gonna burn his tongue.
Not bad. What is it?
The Turkish latte.
Really? Oh, Turkish latte. That's I have to.
Wow, the reaction. Stark contrast.
No, I wonder whether you put yogurt inside. Inside coffee.
Yo, yeah, get the
That's-
vibe off the fact that he tied his shoes all right.
Okay. Merhaba. Az önce meğerse çekmemiş. Bu balık avlamak içinmiş bu delikler. Ben mayın zannediyordum. Tesadüfi zannediyordum. Meğerse özellikle balık için. Merhaba balık. Artı 4 derece Celsius'te orada balıklar yaşıyor. Su diğer bütün sıvılardan farklı olarak buz olduğu vakit veya da solid state yani nedir? Madde ne deniyor? Hani sıvı katı olduğu vakit en yoğun olmuyor. Diğer bütün maddeler daha yoğunlaşıyor, batıyor. Sıvının içine batıyor. Mesela demir sıvı demirin içinde batar çünkü daha yoğundur. Ama su istisnai olarak yoğun olduğu vakit yukarı çıkıyor. Buz yukarıda oluyor, aşağıda buz yok. Altta artı 4 derece balıklar yaşayabiliyor, hayat var. Ve zalim insanlar geliyor, balıkları burada avlıyor, gariban balıkları. Bak ben de yiyorum maalesef. Biz öyle birimiz bile çok iyi insanlarız falan diyoruz ama bak, okey.